Hiya crafty folks, Amy here with amyswares, and today I have a pink package of joy, and you may know what that means, but this is the new November release for A Colorful Life Designs. So I am going to show you all the new stencils that are available in the shop for this month, tell you about the different ways you can purchase them and save, and yeah, I encourage you to check out all the samples. If you're on Facebook, we do actually have a Facebook group for A Colorful Life Designs fans where all of us on the design team will share our projects for inspiration. We love to see your projects there too, so I will link that in the video description box below. If you expand and scroll down, you'll find that information plus all the links to all of these goodies that I'm going to share with you today. So let's jump right in. Now, when you purchase, you will receive a manila folder like this. This is some free complimentary bling that Mary Kay at the shop sends because she's awesome like that. But your stencils will come in a folder like this. If there's little pieces, parts, or layers, they may be in their own little separate plastic cellophane packaging, but otherwise she's trying to cut down on plastic waste. Now, what we have here this month is actually two different bundles, so I'm going to share that with you. One bundle is a traditional Christmas, and then one bundle is called Batchable, meaning that it's easy to batch, which obviously is great for holiday cards because, you know, typically we need to make a bunch. So I'm going to start with the traditional Christmas ones. I'm going to zoom in maybe a little bit here so we can see better, but right off the bat, I have this 3x6. It's called Christmas Postmark. It says Merry Christmas, December 25. Super cute. This is such a fun little design. So that's a 3x6. And again, we're working out of the traditional Christmas batch, or classic Christmas bundle, rather. Okay, now these are fun. Look, Mama Claus, Daddy Claus, Grandma Claus, Grandpa Claus. So super fun text if you don't want to do your stamping. So this is really cute and unique. These are 6x6 stencils. Okay, this one, make a great background, snowflake grid. I feel like this isn't even necessarily only Christmas. You could use this year-round, or at least for winter cards. It doesn't just have to be holiday. So that one's fun. Snowflake grid. It's a 6x6. I have a couple here with text. These are cool. Coffee related goodness. So we have I run on coffee and Christmas cheer. And this is kind of like, I don't know, latte art maybe with a little tree. Super cute. And have a cup of cheer. So you got this coffee cup, or it could be, you know, hot cocoa if you'd rather have that. And this cool image of like a tree out of the steam. Very cool. And then obviously you could mask off the sentiment if you just wanted the image, or even just mask off the steam if you just wanted to use that cup. So you could use these year round. They're not necessarily tied to holiday. And those are called Cup of Cheer and Christmas Cheer. And then I have a couple of 6x9s here. This one is called Christmas Coffee. Again, more sentiments. If you don't want to do stamping, you can just do some ink blending through this. My bells don't jingle without coffee. All I want for Christmas is more coffee. There will be no holiday cheer until I get my coffee and Christmas movies, and again, another cup. So you could use just the cup. Now this one is probably one of my favorites. This is so cool. It's called Watercolor Ornaments. This is a 6x9. So let me grab a card base here. This is a USA 2 size, so 4¼ inches by 5½, to give you some idea. So you could do a couple of these, or maybe, you know, 3 of these fit beautifully on here, or a combination of, you know, whatever stenciling here that you want to do. Very cool options. So this is a 6x9 stencil. Okay, so that's the first bundle. That is the classic Christmas. Now I'm going to show you the Batchable. Now this is super fun. You guys know I'm a batch and Betty. I love to make a bunch of cards at once in one setting. So I'm very excited about these designs. This one right off the bat, so cool. Geometric Christmas Duo. So again, I'm going to show you this Look at this. It covers up basically a whole card front. So you could slap a sentiment strip, or maybe stamp a sentiment, or maybe stencil a sentiment from another stencil. And then boom, you could have a design. All sorts of different colors. This one, I would say you might want to use pixie spray just because that might move around quite a bit on you. But super good, substantial designs here that will cover a card front. So really easy to batch. Okay, then, and again, that was called Geometric Christmas Duo. Okay, this one, again, you can see the size here of this poinsettia. This is a layered poinsettia, super cool. So you could do this bit in red or pink and red or like creamy white. And then you can move these up and do the little center. There's little dots. I don't know if you can see that, little dots. And then also the leaves. Super cool. Definitely easy to batch. This one, a heart-nosed deer. So cute. So you have a little heart-nosed deer. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Cutest reindeer of all. Oh dear, it's Christmas, or oh dear, Christmas is near. Super cute, punny. Again, here's some size, proximity here. Super cute, 6x9. Okay, now I have some 6x6. This is crossed candy canes. Again, this will just fit perfectly on an A2 size card base. Super easy. You could use like a glittery paste or something through there, one of the like metallic sort of pastes or things like that. That would be really cool. Or foiling, if that's your jam. Really cool. Okay, and then we have, oh, this one's so cute, Snowfall. So you have these little designs on the top, little star-looking images on the top. Sorry, bottom and top. I know words. Words are easy. Just kidding. I haven't had enough coffee yet. Don't mind me fumbling and rambling and waffling. Anyway, this one is called Snowfall. There's trees in the center, and then these little, I'm assuming it's like little snowy bits. And some, you could think of that as snow or stars. Either way, super cool, kind of a whimsical design. And then this one, so cool. Have yourself a Merry Low Christmas. Definitely batchable, because look, you have the design and the sentiment all built in. Boom, card front. Throw some pretty blingage on it. Bob's your uncle. Easy card. Merry Little Christmas is what that's called. Very cool. And then this one, Minimalist Christmas. So this is like just the tree branches, some very simple designs. I really like this. I think this is neat. And then it's got the Merry Christmas, which again, you could mask off if you just wanted the image. So this is the Batchable collection. Super cool. And then you have the Classic Christmas. Now, how this works, these are available in 2 separate bundles. So if you were to get a Master Creator bundle, if you're interested in that, again, please follow my link, because that's the only way to let Mary Kay know that the sale came from me. But that will get you 20% off of each bundle. So if you follow the Master Creator bundle links, you'll get 20% off each collection. Now, if you want them both, you just buy both bundles, obviously, from those links, and then you will get 20% off of all of it. If you want just individual stencils, then you can use your favorite designer's coupon. So mine is AmyFan10. You would apply that at checkout. You can't use my coupon for the Master Creator bundles because these are already so deeply discounted at 20% off. But if you want anything individual, or any of like the card bling in the shop, which there's over 100 colors now, crazy town. There's some stamps, all that stuff. You can use your favorite designer's coupon, AmyFan10, at checkout and save 10% on your complete order of that. It just doesn't apply to the Master Creator bundles of stencils. Now, there's not any new bling this year, but again, this month. But again, there are over, I think it's actually probably closer to 130 colors at this point. There's so many to choose from. I encourage you, if you're into embellishment like that, to check them out, because they are my favorite card bling. I use them, actually, I'll just show them to you. I use them on almost every card that I make. These are all the colors that are available in the shop now. So these are still available. You can take a look through that section on the website. I will link them below. Tons of reds and greens, great for Christmas. So be sure to check that out. I have these little containers that I get from Amazon. I'll link that as well. But these are my favorite. I love the card bling. So check out the card bling in the shop. Check out all the amazing cards that my other design team members made with all of these stencils, and let me know what you think in the comments. Are you excited? Are you already done with your Christmas cards? Have you not started? Let me know. I'm somewhere in the middle. I've got some done, but not enough. Hopefully by the time this airs, I will have had a lot more made. Otherwise, I might be in trouble. But anyway, thank you so much for spending time with me today. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed this, please hit the thumbs up, and I will catch you next time. Bye.